Spring has sprung, and our operations staff have sprung into action, preparing for the spring and summer months. They've been filling potholes, picking up litter, and sweeping streets to help keep our city clean and beautiful. Our operations crews are dedicated to ensuring we keep our roads and parks beautiful and in a state of good repair. Work they do for each and every one of you. Markham is known for using leading technology to detect potholes. This year, we're piloting a new artificial intelligence software from Visual Defense using City Rover's Pulse for Pavement technology to assess the condition of our roads. All of this is done through a camera from a mobile device simply mounted on a dashboard. That data, along with the locations of cracks and potholes, is sent back to our operations staff, making repairs more efficient. Markham's operations staff also maintain our wonderful parks and 202 kilometers of trails. Our staff take great pride in our open spaces, and we need your help to ensure they remain beautiful, green, and accessible for all. So please don't litter. Clean up after yourself, clean up after your pet, and please keep your household waste at your house, not in our parks and trails. On May 14th, I encourage you to participate in a community cleanup to celebrate the Provincial Day of Action on Litter. This is a great opportunity to make a difference with your family and friends and keep our green spaces beautiful. You can learn more about waste and recycling efforts by downloading our mobile app, Access Markham, or visit markham.ca/recycling. Thank you for doing your part to keep Markham beautiful. Spring has sprung, so enjoy the outdoors and all that Markham has to offer.